Welcome. This be about Hero Week. I beg if today be your first time when you watch my video, kindly subscribe, give me like, then share the content so you go far. So today we the tour Adukrom Akuapem, located at the eastern part of Ghana. And also Adukrom Akuapem is the political and administrative capital of the Okre district or Okre constituency. So Charlie, fast forward, we go show them our culture, their educational aspect, road networks, greens or landscape, recreational facilities and government institutions. So Charlie, we can add videos to the content so you go feel them. So fast follow me, we'll go follow me, then we go show them what they here. All right, so starting from the government institution, this be the Okre District Assembly. So in body or beside be the Adukrom police station, the police station where they there and where the district office to this. All right, so you see the caterpillar and the cars where park for there, no. So the previous government, that be 2024. This be the one where Akuapem share for district or the constituency. No? So this be when I one will get. So in case they on a road, you know, you fault be that kind of thing. This be the cars where you go patch the roads, that kind of thing. I really understand, yo. So this be the district office or the district assembly where they Adukrom Akuapem and the police station as well. All right, so this be another government institution. This be the Adukrom clinic. Yeah, them build the hospital for the other side. So we'll go there, go do video as well too. But that one, they don't start the work for there. So they are still using this one. All right, so this is also one of the government institutions. This be the Adukrom court or the court where they Adukrom Akuapem. Them build and finish, but they not open or they not start to use them. So make I show you around. If they start to use them too, I can give you content about that one too. All right, so this be the newly built hospital where they talk about, you know. Yeah, them build finish already. Where Akuapem come here around last year inside, where the open mouth, they show the things where they inside, you know. But they not start the work for his side. So the pray say they will start as early as possible. Then things go start to move on for this side. I mean, you see, it be wide where they to like you see how they value the show, no. So this side they be power. If I get money, I can go buy the top there, then I go take the resort. Cause the money is coming now, me get more than cheddar than we owe. Why me that spy, Charlie? So this be the newly hospital built, you know. But I'm not sure if you enter inside. If you enter, I will show you the things where they inside. The security, Charlie, you just do share and be like we can take something out for here. So they don't go allow we go inside. Like we will show you the things where they inside. Yeah. All right. So with the educational aspect, this is one of the senior high school. This is the first senior high school. Almost Sambrani Bosumba or Sodumja. This be the first senior high school. So we could try them go inside. So say I will show you around. All right, so Charlie, this walkway, they call them Akuapem Street. So if you come to the first senior high school, this road they lead, then get two entrance. One day the other side, one day here. So this road they call them Akuapem Street. Where this be the administration office. Yeah, where the school bus there, you know. That be the way administration office, you know. So they walk for the Akuapem Street top. Charlie, the school then be neat. Wow, if you walk like 1 minute behind, you will see dustbin. See one day, one dustbin there, the other side. Some day here, where some today this side. Every day I say go forward some more, I will see that means too far around. Charlie, one eye, here be neat. Wow, they feel. One thing that I like about this school is actually the green. You see the environment everywhere, the green. There is with them a park as well too. So this be another senior high school. This be Presbyterian senior high school for Adukrom, Akuapem. So more go inside. They make us show you what they inside. Let me more go show them around. Alright, so guys, this be the school inside. Yeah, so I should say this be the administration. So then right for the administration block. So this be the administration. Alright, so this be the back of the school, the Presbyterian Senior High School. No? Shall they see the valley? It be crazy, man. Way behind the mountains to be where Akuapem day. Then I should say go day Tema or something like that. Say Akuapem then Tema, go day that area. You see Akuapem day, it a be why. You see the valley, no galamsey, no deforestation. Then what again? Social studies, what again? You don't know. Oh, let me, your head die. Galamsey deforestation. What? Then essay we forest deforestation. Galamsey na then bush burning. And then oh, Lomi. Eh? Land degradation here then. Oh, was then and we are not run and then overgrazing and so overgrazing. Yeah, that's the thing. Charlie. So more maintain one a forest. See how the vegetation they be very nice. Wow. So thank you, Charlie. I beg if you not subscribe, I can't subscribe. Give me why. I beg. Wow. Thank you. This is one of the secondary school. This is Regional Technical Institution. Yeah. So this is how the school. I will show you around small. Then you will see how the school campus day.
About 10. You all
Alright, so this is one of the recreational facilities, the AstroTurfs. Them construct them around 2023. Yeah, sure. Then they take rent. I should say be 200 cedis for 2 hours. So maybe if you get some match beer, if you can't rent for a year, then get some man beer the rent. So you come around that, then go show you the man way If you rent them, then play your ball or anything where you won't use them for 2 hours for 200 cedis. I will get me, yeah, sure. It be nice watch. Charlie, way big too, it big. Charlie, this one it be like it be stadium. Or this what be the size of stadium? You know?
The stadium is big part.
A big part. What be the size of stadium? You don't know football. I don't know the size of stadium.
But it gets spectated.
Oh, bossu. Footballer like you don't know the size of stadium. All right, so this is the short time for a day. Adukrom, Akuapem. All right, so as part of the recreational facilities, you know, this be Adukrom basketball court. Yeah, so as you see, you know, then they play basketball for them. Make a do small video as then they play the basketball. No? All right, so with the culture aspect, you know, this be the them have palace, you know, or them are if you know, so go add them a festival, what to be the Ohun, then the Ojra festival, you know, to the video to say you go understand everything full, yeah. So when it comes to the hotel where they Adukrom Akuapem, this is one of the best hotels where they richness with the Charlie it day nice was where you then get pull off for inside. So I will show you different types of hotel to wait and get for this town inside. So in case you come around here, if you lodge that side and Charlie, you have a good time. All right, so Charlie, this be hotel. So in case you come some program before here or you want come Adukrom Akuapem, then come and enjoy the environment, that kind of thing. If you can rent this hotel, it be nice hotel. Wow. Lord and Labby hotel. I don't know the amounts within the charge. Me then the man do some contents. He mentioned the price, but I forget. So if you go through my videos, then we'll check how much they charge for here for each night or a week or something. Be very, very nice place, but. All right, so this is how the network day, the road networks day. So if you pass this side, here they go Akosomo, then Asseso, then Tema. If you pass here to the go Tema, then you pass here, they go Koforidia, or if you come from Koforidia, this be where you could pass. Then this side to be Accra. Jalikan be bomb you. Then this side to be Accra. If you come from Accra or if you won't go Accra, this is the Accra road too. All right, so Charlie, you see some part of the greens too, the vegetation. You see the vegetation, Charlie, how they feel, you see the way you do, no? You do like this. Yeah, so behind that thing, the valley or the mountain has time to be corrected. Koforidia day there, we whom today there. They run the pass here. Quite if I say in they understand. Shall I, if I get money in future, I'll come buy here or then I will take do farms.
Safari.
Shall I the place I'll get that money, I'll come buy this side or it a be what? Shall I show them around? Show them around.